Good morning, children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for second standard students. Yes, children. As you people know that I have completed the lesson, the ant and the dove. So, children, let me read this lesson once first. So now you all can open into your textbooks page number 17. What is the page number here? Page number 70. The name of the lesson is The Ant and the Dove. The name of the lesson is The Ant and the Dove. The ant and the dove. So let me read this lesson first and then we will go with the lesson behind the grammar. The ant and the dove. A little ant was moving on the grassy bank of a quiet stream. It was a hot day and the ant had been working very hard, collecting food. Now she was thirsty. How clear and cool the water looks, she said to herself. I will lean over carefully and take a little sip. But the ant was very tiny and the stream was so big. It fell into the water and got carried away deeper into the stream. Help, help! How deep the water is! How quickly it moves! My, I will drown. Is there no one who can help me? She shouted. A dove was sitting on the tree near the stream. She heard the ants cry for help. She plucked a leaf from the tree and flew to where the ant was. She dropped the leaf near the ant. The ant climbed on the leaf and floated safely back to dry land. Thank you so much, dear dove, for saving my life today. I will never forget what you have done for me. Maybe, just maybe, I will be able to help you someday. A few weeks later, the ant was resting near the tree where the dove had built a nest. There were 3 eggs in the nest. The dove was warming the eggs and surrounded very happily. A hunter was passing through the forest. He heard the dove singing happily. He decided to catch her. He began spreading a net. Here is my chance to help, friend, said the ant to herself. I must save her and her babies who have still not come out of their eggs. Before the hunter could throw the net on the dove's nest, the dove's nest, the ant bit him very hard on his foot. Ouch! The man shouted, holding his foot. Ouch! What was that? Hearing his noise, the dove looked up from her nest. She saw the net and immediately flew away. The hunter had not seen the nest. He went away. The ant was very happy. She thought to herself, even a tiny thing like me could help save someone's life. The ant and the dove continued to live happily as friends. So this was the small story that I have taught you people. I have explained this full lesson for you people. Now today I am going to go with the lesson behind the grammar part. Yes. That is page number 20. What is the page number here? Page number 20 in your textbooks. So here they have given describing words. Describing words means what? Describing words means nothing but they are called as what? Adjectives. What we call them? Adjectives. Like to describe how the building is, how the person is, whether it is good, bad, beautiful, smart, whatever. How he looks. We have to describe about the thing or the person or the animal or the place. So, read the describing words in the column A. Read the naming words. In bracket they have mentioned nouns in column B. Make the best pairs of describing words and nouns. Write them in the space provided. Yes. Whatever the words are given in the column A and in the column B. In column A, the words are called as describing words. And in column B, they have mentioned the naming words that are called as nouns. So here, we have to make the best pairs of describing words and column and nouns. Write them in the space provided. So here, let us begin with the topic now. So first main, you will be writing the meanings. Second main, you will be receiving the question answers. Now coming to the third main, that is describing words. So first we will begin with the describing words. Describing words. Read the describing words in column A. See what they have given? A star here. Read the describing words in column, column A. The next, read the naming words. Second point, read the naming words. That is, naming words in bracket they have given nouns. In column B. Column B. Make the best pairs of describing words. Make the best pairs of describing words and nouns. Words and nouns. Write them in the space provided. Next, one more topic here. Write them in the space provided. So, to solve one match the following, we have to follow all these rules. So, what are those rules? You can see here, children. Read the describing words in column A. Read the naming words, that is nouns, in column B. Make the best pairs of describing words and nouns. We have to match the describing words with the nouns to make the best pairs. Write them in the space provided. Beside that there is a dash. We have to write them in the best pairs. So let us begin first. That is A and B. This is A and this will be B. I will rub this page number, children. So here. Now first one, tall. First one is what here? Tall. In column B they have given sky. Second one, green milk. In column B, milk. Third one, cloudy ant. Cloudy ant. The next, that is wild building. Wild building. Wild and building. Okay, next, hot noise. Hot noise. Sixth one, tiny animal. Tiny animal. Seventh one, black leaves. Black leaves. Eighth one, loud hairs. Loud hairs. So here. So this is one, children. We have to match and we have to write the correct word in the place provided. Yes, this. Now here, see the first one with what you can match the first one. Here you can see these are describing words. In column A, we call these words as what? Describing words. And in column B, they have said naming words. What are these? Naming words. So here, now first one we have to match. Tall, green, cloudy, wild, hot, tiny, black, loud. Sky, milk, ant, building, noise, and then animal, leaves, and then heads. So first one is what here? Tall building. First one is what here? Tall building. So we have to write the name of the word. That is what? Tall building. Second one, green leaf. What color will be the leaf, children? Green color. Yellow ya color irtada? Green color alla? So green leaf. Green leaves. Green leaves. Next, cloudy sky. Cloudy sky. What is the color of the sky? Cloudy sky. Cloudy sky. Next, wild animal. Wild animal. Wild animals, where they live? Wild animals, they live in the forest. Yes or no? The animals which live in forest are called as wild animals. Yes or no? They eat the flesh of other animals. Yes. Next, hot. milk. Next, tiny ant. What is that? Tiny ant. Next, black hair. Black hair. Loud music. Sorry, loud. Sorry. Yes. So here, now next is black hair. And the last is what? Loud noise. So these are the pair of words with describing words and nouns. With what? With the describing words and nouns. Okay, children? So here I have marked them with the different colors so that you can understand. See here, tall building, green leaves, cloudy sky, wild animals, hot milk, tiny ant, black hairs, loud noise. The same words I have written here: tall building, green leaves, cloudy sky, wild animals, hot milk, tiny ant, black hairs, and then loud noise. Yes or no? These are the pairs. These are all describing words. These are all naming words. That means we call it as a nouns. So here, how the building is? The building is very tall. So what is the color of the leaves? The leaves are green in color. How the sky is today? The sky is cloudy today. Animal, which animal? Wild animals. The milk is hot. The ant is tiny. Hairs are black. And how is the noise? The noise is very loud. Yes or no? So we describe the nouns with the help of the adjectives, with the help of the describing words. We say how they are, how they look, what they do, where they are, everything we use with the describing words only. So they have said us what? Read the describing words in column A, read the naming words in column B, make the best pairs of describing words and nouns, write them in the space provided. The same thing we have written here. Inge baribeku notebook alli. Enu change madangiಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? So here now next. So here, fill in the blanks with describing words. Again same here. Fill in the blanks with describing words. So first one, I want a dash dress. I want a dash dress. First one. Second one, we ate all the dash grapes. We ate all the dash grapes. road. Fourth, Mumbai is a dash city. Mumbai is a dash city. Next, fifth one. I saw many dash butterflies. I saw many dash butterflies. Next, we should always drink dash water. We should always dash water. So here. Now I have written all the fill in the blanks. But what we have to do? We have to fill the words which are called as what? Describing words. What we call that? Describing words. So here first one you can see, I want a dash dress. When you go to shop, which type of dress you find? You want to look. After wearing, it should look very beautiful. Yes or no? Beautiful was chanda, sundara. Yes or no? You want to look very beautiful. So I want a beautiful dress. Beautiful. I want a beautiful dress. Next. Next. We ate all the dash grapes. In grapes also, there are sweet grapes also, there are sour grapes also. Sour means what? Puli. Sweet and rain, C. So here, now which we have to write? Which one you like to eat more? When the grapes are very sweet, you eat them all. If the grapes are not sweet, then what you do? You won't eat it. So here we will write, we ate all the sweet grapes. Sweet grapes. It is a dash road. It is a dash road. Which road is very busy, where more vehicles are moving? You people don't like to travel there. You don't like to travel. So what we say? Busy road. It is a busy road. Bahಳಷ್ಟು ಗಾಡಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Busy road. Next. Mumbai is a dash city. In Mumbai there is more population than other cities. Which is what we call for that? When there are more people, we say crowded city. Mumbai is what here? Crowded city. Next. I saw many dash butterflies. In butterflies, there are many different colors. And when you see butterfly, we feel very happy. Yes or no, children? Why? Because why we feel very happy when we see at the butterflies? Because they are very beautiful. Yes or no? They are very beautiful. So here, beautiful we will write. I saw many beautiful butterflies. Next. We should always drink dash water. We should always drink clean water. Clean water. So, these all the words which are filled in the blanks. These all words are called as what? Describing words. Describing words are nothing but we call them adjectives. Adjective means opposite words also will come. Here, see. I want a beautiful dress. We ate all the sweet grapes. It is a busy road. Mumbai is a crowded city. I saw many but beautiful butterflies. We should always drink clean water. Yes or no? Next, coming to the next part. There only you can see into your textbook, children. How do these animals move? Pictures are given there. in that pictures you can see a duck is given, a horse is given, a bird is given, and then a frog is given, worm is given, and then a fish is given. So just I will write these. How do they move? Here you can see children the pictures given here. See a down. This is duck. This is horse. Yes, and this is bird, fish, earthworm, and then last is a frog. Yes or no? You can see all the 6 animals, birds and animals here. So we have to write how do these animals move. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸರ್ಕೊಳ್ತವೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅವು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. We have to see them there. So let us write this now. So these are the pictures, children. Now we have to name these pictures. How do they move? Yes, how do these animals move? We have to write. Yes. Now the duck. How the duck will move? The duck will waddles. The next, horse. The horse goes. The next, a bird flies. Flies. And last, a frog jumps. A frog jumps. Then the next is the worm crawls. And the last is a fish swims. So these are the lesson behind the activity and the grammar part I have completed for you people. So children, these you have to draw the same one behind the down. ಒಂದು ತಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ 6 ನೀವು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಕೊಂಡು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಅದ್ರ ತಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ದ duck will waddle, a horse will gallops, the birds fly, a frog jumps, a worm crawls, the fish swims. So these are the activity that I have completed for you people. You will be receiving the meanings and question answers in the assignment. Follow. After that, you have to write this notes in your notebooks also. Till then, have a good day children, and I will be in front of you with the new. Thank you.